What I loved for making platonic friends was Bumble BFF. I think it is the best way to meet people, hands down. In fact, I think dating apps in general, if you know what to do, are the most amazing tool of all time since sliced bread, okay? If you know how to set them up, you can find the most compatible people in the entire planet. Like the old way that I would make friends is like go to events I was interested in and then maybe that person would talk to me. That is so passive. Like, what am I waiting for the universe to bring me what I want? Bumble BFF is like the best way. If you know how to set up your profile, I teach this for people who are looking for romantic mega dating, how to set up their profile so that they get deeply compatible matches. But it blew my mind when I did it with platonic relationships. I was like, whoa, these people are so deeply compatible with me. It's scary. Like, it's a little scary, but I love it. Like, it's the coolest thing ever. Honestly, I don't know why people hate dating apps or apps in general. These apps are amazing. I think Bumble BFF is so brilliant. As long as you know how to set up your profile, you're gonna make the most compatible connections through an app. It's the smartest algorithm on the planet, okay? You're gonna find all the people who have things in common with you that are super deep. It's gonna be so easy. It's gonna be such an effortless connection. Although it does take time, it is a big experiment, right? So who you attract the first week, you might be like, oh, I don't really like these things about them. Okay, let me shift my profile and start attracting different things. Some profile tips: add photos and prompt responses of you doing activities that you'd like to do with your Bumble BFF friends. That was a game changer for me. I found so many people that were like into surfing and kiteboarding and paddleboarding and doing all this cool stuff that I'm into.